Welcome you all. Today we are here with another idiomatic expression, and that is have a nodding acquaintance with. Have a nodding acquaintance with, which means have a slight acquaintance or introduction with a person or knowledge of a subject. इसको हम उर्दू में किसी चीज़ का सरसरी इल्म या साहिब सलामत या किसी और इंसान को थोड़ा सा जानना या किसी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानना कह सकते हैं. Here's the picture for that. How we are going to use it in sentences like students will need a nodding acquaintance with 3 other languages. यानी स्टूडेंट्स को 3 और ज़ुबानों में थोड़ा सा इल्म होना ज़रूरी है. Or here is another sentence. I have only a nodding acquaintance with him. मतलब मेरी उसके साथ थोड़ी सी वाकफियत है. So this is how we are going to use this idiomatic expression in our sentences. It is have a nodding acquaintance with.